talking about?
Wait, why'd you get a new one?
I don't have to take it off.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's banana.
He sent me like, he sent me a bunch of crap. So I didn't ask for it. Okay. So he's the last 60 this year. Let's see if it's on. Good.
Oh, good.
Right.
Okay, but I'm in the tape.
You're in the tape. You're in the tape.
Okay, so I got my tape. Want the orange again?
Yeah. Probably low again.
A little low, but good windage.
We're gonna go to a tag about this shit, right?
I might go to Michigan.
Ooh, you're right there, dude.
Knox?
I do. Wanna shoot it?
For what size? Like standard?
I don't know standards. Those are standards, right?
Yeah.
I don't know standards.
Do they fit your bow?
Yeah.
I'll get some of you then.
Well, actually, no. Actually, I don't. For these, yeah, these are standards. I don't have standards.
Oh, mother. How about your lift? You gonna shoot your lift?
I got my lift.
You gonna shoot it?
Yeah.
Quick 70-yard bomb, that's what I'll do. Oh, what the heck?
What's going on?
I shot 70 at the Morel.
Yeah.
And I think I'm like on the far right edge. Like, I can see my pink touchings just, like I hit the side of the block.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, I'll send one more. Good height though, but. It flew weird. No, don't tell me that.
Flew a little weird.
So,
It kind of tucked
right side?
mid aeroflight. It was like kind of croaked. Corkscrewed a little bit.
No.
I'll watch it again.
My tune's off then.
That was good though. That was good.
Yeah, that's where my pin was, a little low. Sick.
Ooh. Elevation's good, you're just to the right. Well. That looks money. Dude. you're just a little left, but you're right there though.
Yeah, I'll
Just
take
a
that.
little bit. Same spot.
How was that one?